Holy shit! Fireworks! That's some crazy shit. If you hear that water noise, I'm in my sister's room. She has an aquarium. So yeah, if you're wondering what that water noise is. Whoa! That is so cool. This is like right outside my house. Holy shit. That's amazing. Whoa. It's fucking awesome. It's coming from the grocery store. Because there's a grocery store like right by my house. Damn. Yeah, this happened last year. Last year, like December 2024. Same thing. There was also fireworks. And yeah, same exact spot. And same with the year before in December 2023. Same thing. Also fireworks from that same area. But yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. My cat is in here. I know you can't see her. It's dark. But yeah. But yeah, guys. So, Happy New Year's. And yeah, let's hope that maybe 2025 or 2025, I'm sorry, 2026 is gonna be a good year, hopefully. I'll just try to make things right and yeah, just focus on, you know, just good things happening. And yeah, let's hope for once it'll be a good year, you know, because 2022 was my final good year that I enjoyed. And, you know, it sucks that every year after that has been pretty bad. But, you know, 2026, it's a fresh new year. And, yeah, let's make the most of it. Not that I do New Year resolutions, I don't, but I do have some goals nonetheless. And, yeah, so let's hope that, yeah, things will be a lot better. It's kind of crazy. I'm already 25. I'll be 26 next year. But that's still young, you know. I have a lot to learn. And yeah, so I hope things will, you know, go out well. And yeah, let's just hope for the best. Stay positive. And yeah, so love all of you guys. Take care. Have a good one. Happy New Year's. I know, like, maybe if you're in, like, Australia, then you guys are having New Year's Day, so you guys are way past that. But us, we have, like, 3.5 hours, even less, until it's officially 2026. But yeah, so take care, everyone. Have a good one.